Good morning. My name is Dana Barron, and I am here to teach you how to tie a square knot today. The square knot is an old knot that's oftentimes known as a reef knot. The reason for this is that it's oftentimes used to reef a sail, reefing being decreasing the amount of sail available for the wind to catch. This is often used in heavy winds. And the idea is to tie the sail around the boom, which is the part of the sailboat that holds the sail at its foot. The square knot is classically used to tie a rope or a line to something. For example, if you wanted to tie a rope up to a pier, it is incorrectly used to tie two lines together. The reason for that is that if you tie two lines together using a square knot, when that line is under load, or when those two lines are under load, it will break. Okay, so let's go ahead and tie the square knot. So when you're tying a square knot, you want to wrap your left-sided rope, or left end of the rope, over the right side of the rope, and then do the complete opposite. So if we start with left over right, then we do right over left. Likewise, if we start with right over left, then we would do left over right. This is important because otherwise we would end up with a granny knot, and granny knots are not at all strong. So let's show this in action. So here's two ends of the rope. We can imagine that this is two ropes, although remember we don't necessarily want to use the reef knot to tie two ends of the two different ropes together because of the fact that it's not very strong. So here we go. I'm going to wrap left over right, and then I'm going to wrap right over left, and then pull tight. Here you see a square knot. Let me do that again for you. So I'll wrap left over right, and then right over left. And then I'm pulling tight. There is a square knot. Any questions at all? Well, thank you. You've been a very good audience.